So in this video, the main theme is the importance of teamwork when in any organization we have HSE or QHSE management system. The power of team in QHSE or HSE building a strong safety culture. Now introduction. Visual. Worker arrive at site. Team meeting before work. So before start work, there will be team meetings. Different departments working together. The message is safety is everyone's responsibility, but safety excellence is achieved through teamwork. Over here, the message is safety is everyone's responsibilities, but safety excellence is achieved through teamwork. What is teamwork in HSE? Visual. Now, toolbox talks, TBT, joint inspections, worker discussing hazards. The key points are communication, how we involve the people through communication, cooperation, trust, shared responsibilities, and mutual support. Now, why teamwork save lives? Visual. Workers warning colleagues about a hazard. So, if there is teamwork, they will warn the colleagues about the hazards. Spotter guiding, equipment operator, emergency response team in action. Benefits are fewer accidents, better hazard identification, improved morale, faster emergency response, stronger safety culture. Real workplace examples, construction site, banksman guiding crane operations as a teamwork, team performing lifting activities safely. Warehouse, now we give the examples of a warehouse. So there in the lifting activity, there should be a teamwork. Warehouse, now we give an example from the warehouse. Forklift operator and sporter working together, safe loading and unloading, manufacturing plant. So now we give the manufacturing plant example based on the teamwork. Permit to work coordination, because in the permit there are four parties: issuing party, receiving party, then team party, and the cancellation party. So there will be coordination, the four parties. If you want to learn about the PTW, we have one video on this channel, and this video is based on the international best practice as well as the ADOSH SF in the Emirates, Abu Dhabi, as well as on the Aramco KSA. Log out, tag out, teamwork. Now, communication and teamwork. Visual toolbox meetings, safety briefing, two-way radio communication. The key message is poor communication causes incidents. Effective communication prevents them. Now, teamwork during emergencies. If we have had some emergency, there will be a teamwork. So there should be a teamwork to manage the emergencies of any type. Fire drills like the visual first aid response, evacuation exercise, key message, and in emergency teamwork can make the difference between life and death. As per when we are talking about the ADOSH, we're talking about the ISO 45001 in teamwork, and the ADOSH in Abu Dhabi, we will have safety committee meetings quarterly. If in any organization there are more than 50 employees, there should be a safety committee, and the safety committee will meet quarterly. And in the ISO 45001, there is one wording, the ISO 45001 2018, the subclass 5.3 workers participation. So based on these words, we have to a team work in any organization. So now, safety committee meetings, worker consultation, risk assessment workshop, reference, worker participation in consultation. This is the 5.3 of ISO 45001 2018 standard, the subclass 5.3. And element in ADOS, communication and consultation element. Now, leadership and commitment, communication and cooperation. Now, safety culture and teamwork, visual, uh, workers reporting near misses, recognition of safe behavior, team celebrating safety milestone. Message: a strong safety culture is built when everyone works together. Now, closing message: teamwork save lives. Communication. How? Because when there is communication, people will participate. Cooperation, people will cooperate. Different departments will cooperate to promote the safety culture in any organization. Support each other's work safely. Final quote. Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can achieve a safer workplace. Now, useful B-rule sources like PPE inspections. So, in PPE inspections, in this, there will be teamwork, toolbox talks, safety observations. If we have safety observation findings from the audit as well as from the inspections, we can close the findings. Risk assessment, permit to work activities, emergency drills, forklift operation with spotter, team meetings, site inspections, now safety committee meetings. If you have any question, please write your question in the comment section and we will reply back to you. Thank you very much and we'll see you with the next video.